Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to introduce to you our latest design for Uncoiler with a coil car and pressing arm with our latest technology. So basically the roller for the coil car have been heated treatment, so it's very strong, and we will the rail Uncoiler coil car to move forward and backward. But the most important today, I would like to introduce to you our supporting arm. The supporting tower can open and close by hydraulic system, invented by our TKD Japan team and designed by ourselves. This advantage is directly supporting the shaft of the uncoiler, which is stronger than regularly you see the supporting arm. They can only support by the arm here, but we use two sides of the tower supporting in the middle. It increasing the strong for the uncoiler and can run long lasting than the other design in the market. And can we rotate it? Pressing down, press up. Okay, okay. So basically, the coil width for this uncoiler can be variety from minimum. You can use the smallest that you want, and maximum is 1,300 mm. The inner coil width is starting from 465 mm and maximum to 580 mm. So for the speed, you can also controlling moving forward, moving backward, as you like. If you're running the coil from this side or the other side, you can turn it around. So let me show you a little bit about controller. In here, in the controller box, we have both sides have the mode, manual and auto, revert and forward, backward and forward. You can choose. So sometimes the machine lay out on the front, you're running forward. Sometimes if you lay out the back side, you can run it back side. The advantage of our machine, both sides they have the controller back. So in terms of very handy to use for both side control. And then we have also emergency switch. For emergency switch, okay, you can check. There you go. It's off everything. Okay. It's on again. Okay, let me show you a little bit about the component inside. Okay. Circuit breaker for Mitsubishi, the power supplier from the Delta brand, hydraulic system from Tokyo Gigi brand, made in Japan. From Tokyo Gigi, made in Japan, we use all the good quality from Japan. The other side, I will show you the inverter. Under here, the cameraman, please come closer. I show you where the hydraulic tanks. This is our homemade hydraulic tanks on this side. There you go. Okay, hydraulic system. Electric motor from Hyung-sung, Korean brand. The power supplier from Delta brand. Circuit breaker Mitsubishi. And the most important today, I would like to show to you. This is the protection for the machine. On the electricity component, we use this one to protect, because some country the electricity go up and down, like suddenly, sometimes too high, sometimes too low. So there will be a problem damaging the machine. So we have this switch to controlling the electricity and protecting on our electricity component, so it cannot get burned. Because sometimes when electricity go too high or losing one phase, it can burn the motor. So it's very important. Okay, let's come to the other side. So the main power supplier, we use the socket. so you can easily apply here. So from the main side, we will have more function here. Which you have, the cameraman, please come closer, I will show you. So for the operation, you have the setting number 1, which is running forward here, and the setting number 2 for the other side to controlling the other side control. Okay, the power on off, the oil pump on off, the mode manual to run manual by hand, and the auto is automatically run. So the running revert and the forward depend on the uncoiler layout. So if you facing it forward, you can run forward. If your machine for running the other side, back side, you can run revert. And the other most important thing is you can controlling the speed of the uncoiler, speed, high speed, low speed. It running controlling by through the inverter emergency switch. And for this we use the Fuji electric inverter. And again on this side we have the Hyosung electric motor. And this hydraulic system is for using for the pressing arm to run the decking sheet coil, some like thickness coil from 0.7 millimeter up to 1.5 or 2 milli. So we need this pressing arm system. And then we have the tower support. This is invented by me. I'm the guy behind this tower support. So we use hydraulic system to open and close, very handy with the latest technology. So basically the supporting tower to support the shaft more stronger than comparing to Taiwan or other machine maker. They use only like an arm support from the below. When you're pressing it here, hydraulic system is not strong enough. But the thing we use the tower support for both sides, and we holding it in the middle is super strong, guys. It's much stronger than comparing to the Taiwan machine. So what again? Now we will run again for you to see it more clearly. Let's follow us. And we use the laser sensor for the coil because we don't have the coil, so we just show the demo for you. So when the coil sheet touching to this area, they will slow down the machine. They will send a signal to the machine, and the coil, when it running through here, the coil will slow down the arm. So when it run automatic, there you go, you see. So I will use my hand for demo like a coil they're running through. You see? If I remove my hand a little bit, the arm will run, the coil will run. There you go. Okay. Okay, now we stop and let's open the tower support door for everybody can see. Okay, stop and open this tower first. This one go inside first. Now we will do demo like imagination. This is the coil. Now we move the coil in. After the coil in the right position, more closer. Okay, stop. The pressing arm, press down. And then we will close the tower support. Okay, now open this. So after the coil in the right position and you adjust the coil in the right place, let's move the coil car out. And close the tower support. Now we will demo for you to how to run the auto. Bây giờ mình cho chạy tự động. Okay, now we will run the auto. For the speed of the uncoiler, like I showed you before, we have the speed limit switch. So you can, according to your machine speed, roofing machine speed or decking sheet machine speed, we will increase the speed of the arm. So I will demo by my hand when for example, when the coil passing to this, the stop, and run again. So when the coil goes through here, they will slowly. When I move my hand up a little bit, they will move faster. When it's touching here, they will stop, slow down. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and hope to see you guys soon. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the like button. If you have any more inquiry, anything, or have any question, feel free to drop the comment below to ask us. We will be happy to answer you. Thank you and see you again.